Hi guys! Nandito ako ngayon. Kasama ko si Jerry, isang white Pinoy. Jerry Porter, say hi.
Hi, Faye.
Kasama ko siya ngayon. Ngayon ng araw ay susubukan natin siya. Isang challenge. Tingnan natin kung marunong na siyang salita ng Ilocano. So, subukan natin. May mga itatanong ako sa kanya, tapos subukan natin kung alam na niya. Hopefully. Hopefully alam niya. Diba? Okay. Tingnan natin, nag-aral yata ito eh. Nag-aral sa Harvard. Pinag-aralan niyang magsalita ng Ilocano. Jerry!
Hey,
How do you say your name in Ilocano?
Siak ni Jerry White Pinoy.
Wow! Ding 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 ding.
Winner.
Winner! Winner! Magaling. Magaling, magaling, magaling. Okay. Ako yata mahihirapang magtanong dito eh. How do you say pancit is delicious?
Naimasti Pansit.
Wow. Ding 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 ding. Naglaingon, naglaingon. Naglaing, naglaing nga talaga, naglaing. Naglaing. Woo! Magaling. Say naglaing.
Naglaing.
There you go. Magaling.
Magaling.
Ooh, talaga naman, talaga naman, talaga naman. Ding 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 ding. Okay, pahihirapan kita ngayon. Tingnan natin kung marunong ka. How about I want to go pee?
Maka is.
Ding 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 ding. Marunong, naglaing.
Naglaing.
Talaga naman, talaga naman. Okay. Talaga. Marunong na eh. How about pinakbet is delicious.
Naimasti Pinakbet.
Oh, talaga mo. White Pinoy. Ding 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 ding. Marunong. Say naglaing.
Naglaing.
Oh, wow. Okay. Magaling. Magaling siya. Mga kaibigan. Ito, matututo ka na talaga dito pag araw-arawin natin to, Jerry. Yeah, Jerry? How about... Of course, you know Ilocanos already, right? So, you went to the Philippines, you met Ilocanos there, and of course, Philippines is beautiful. Right?
Right.
Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Okay, good.
I meet the balut vendor.
You eat the balut?
I eat the balut and I meet the balut vendor.
Oh.
On the street.
You ate the balut and you meet the balut vendor. Wow! Tingnan nyo naman. Okay. So, how do you say, do you see that? Do you see this? See this? I bought it in vegan. That one. There. From Vegan Ilocosur. Mabuhay ang mga taga Ilocosur.
Your birthplace.
Nabuhay ang mga Ilocana. Okay, Ilocana. How do you say Ilocana is beautiful?
Napintas di Ilocana.
Ikaw na, Jerry! Ikaw na! Ding 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 ding. Naglaeng kagaya kay kakapsat. Magaling. Okay, suko na ako. Suko na talaga ako. Marunong na siya. Marunong. Okay, say hi again.
Hi.
Say, naimas.
Naimas ti dininding.
Anya mo nga rod nga makan, nga food. What else? What else, Jerry? Adobo?
Adobo, curry,
Mm-hmm.
pinakbet,
Mhm.
of course, balut,
Wow. Yeah.
igado,
Igado. There you
Igado.
go. Yeah. How about Jingjing's spaghetti?
spaghetti, jollibee,
Okay.
see, lechon manok,
There you go. Wow. Talagang white Pinoy siya. This is Jerry White Pinoy.
pancit palabok.
He's a pure white. Guys.
He's married to Filipino food.
Yeah. He's married to Filipino Filipino food. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.